Here we're to find the x-intercepts rounded to the nearest hundredth. X-intercept means that y is equal to 0. So we'll need to use the quadratic formula here with a equaling 1, b equals 12, and c equals 3. So we get that x is equal to negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. 4 times 3 is 12, so this is 12 here. And 12 squared is 144. And 2 times 1 is 2. 144 minus 12 is 132. And so our quadratic formula reduces down to this. We could simplify this perhaps, but we don't need to since we're rounding off to the nearest hundredth. So the two solutions are x equals negative 12 plus the square root of 132 divided by 2, or x equal negative 12 minus the square root of 132 divided by 2. So calculating these, now, okay, so square root of 132, then subtract 12, then divide by 2. That gives me negative 0.25543 7. It goes on and on, but we need to round off to the nearest tenth, the nearest hundredth. So the 5 here causes that 5 to round up to a 6. So to the nearest hundredth, there's one of our solutions. Or we get another one by taking the minus. Instead of adding, we subtract 132. So square root of 132. So I take the square root of 132 and 12 added to it, but all negative, so negative 23.489 divided by 2. So this time I get negative, whoops, try that again, I just hit the key. Okay, 132, square root of 132, 12 plus, then make it negative and divide by 2. So negative 11. 0.74456 goes on and on, but we need to round off to the nearest hundredth. So the next digit over is a 4, so we don't have to round up, we can just truncate it there. And so to the nearest hundredth, these are our two solutions to this quadratic equation.